Students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to give you a brief summary of the story Birthday written by V.M. Bashir. This story is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature Paper 2nd. This is my second video lecture on this story. The topics of today's lecture are summary of the story Birthday and the main characters in the story Birthday. Birthday is a heart-touching story written by Vaikum Muhammad Bashir. Its theme is based on the narrator's experiences with no money. Probably there is a subjectivity in the theme. The narrator is the most prominent character in the story. There is a note of humor and pathos which makes the story a delightful reading. There is a temporal sense as the narrator is constantly aware of the passing of the time. The story has a message to convey, the message of love. The story begins. It was the narrator's birthday. He wore a clean dress and lay sadly in his reclining chair. His neighbor, Matthew, greeted him and learnt about the birthday. All were busy and happy except the narrator. The narrator was invited by a minor poet, Hamid. The narrator felt that he was not liked by the landlord, the hotel keeper, and the government. As there was no oil in the lamp, narrator roamed in the streets to write his day diary. Then he sat under a lamp near the lakeside. At 7 o'clock, he thought not to borrow anything on his birthday. He was much disturbed mentally. He felt some headache. The hotel keeper looked at him disinterestedly and the waiter refused to give him a cup of tea on credit. At 10 o'clock, it was very hot and his lips and mouth were dry. Two small children came to sell cloaks, but he told them that he had no money. He fondly thought of his country, friends, and parents. Then he went first to Hamid's shop and then to his house, but the latter was found absent. Narrator felt much hungry and exhausted. His acquaintances overlooked him. Then a detective CID followed him. He met Mr. P, but it was meaningless to go to him. At 2 o'clock, a stranger woman came to his room demanding some help, but he replied, I have nothing. He thought of borrowing money from someone. His thoughts were about death also. At 3:30, a clerk, Krishna Pillai, boy servant, came to the narrator and gave him 2 annas as his deposit. A leader, Gangadhar, came there who was given an anna. There was a scrap of an American newspaper on which a picture was printed. The man shown in the paper was hopefully progressive. The narrator was desperate as he was unable to write anything. At 6 o'clock, it was a beautiful evening, but was almost fainting. Then at 7, the police took him away and interrogated for an hour as a suspect. He was quite helpless. In the other building, he gave a scrap with a note demanding a rupee urgently, but was refused openly. The two children reached there to sell clothes. Sell they could, but for only 2 annas, out of which one was bad. He lay in bed at 9 o'clock but could not sleep. He thought of his hunger along with the millions of others suffering in the world. He smelled boiling rice in Matthew's kitchen. Then he dared reach there. The old servant was at a distance. The narrator entered the kitchen. He ate bellyful rice in the kitchen of Matthew. He stole food but felt guilty. Anyway, he would sleep comfortably. Someone came to his room. It was Matthew. The narrator was much afraid, but Matthew asked if he had eaten. The narrator took a sigh of relief. Unknowingly, he was pardoned by stealing the food. In Vaikom Muhammad Bashir's story Birthday, as the most prominent character, we find the narrator about whom we feel subjectivity regarding the writer. The story moves around him all the while. Matthew, as an acquaintance, helps in the beginning as well as in the ending of the story. It is due to him that the story ends with a cheering note. Hamid, another acquaintance of the narrator, is a minor poet who is rich also, but his invitation to the narrator for lunch and then disappearance from home has been a sad thing on his part. Mr. P is interested in the narrator for his own purpose. It is not sensible for him not to show even basic courtesy to the narrator when he goes to his shop. Gangadhar is also a prominent character in the story as he has a friendly association with the narrator. Though the narrator got no help from him, yet instead helped him by giving an anna. The bespectacled fellows are students and the narrator has almost formal relations with them. The role of the children selling clothes and the woman who sought help from the narrator is very confined. Bashir has presented a moving story in which the narrator had a number of acquaintances. Chief among them were Matthew, Mr. P, Gangadhar, Hamid, and the students. The narrator was in deep association with Matthew. In the opening of the story, when Matthew greeted the narrator, the latter told him that was his birthday. Matthew wished many happy returns of the day. In the end of the story, it was Matthew's kitchen in which he could steal food and relished it. Later, Matthew made no grudge but offered to serve food to the narrator. Mr. P was an acquainted person, but he was a selfish person who had no courtesy even to offer a cup of tea to the narrator. Gangadhar was though very close to the narrator, yet he extended no hand of help. Instead, he got an anna from the narrator, who himself was facing a crisis. Hamid was a good person who invited the narrator for lunch, but due to business transactions, he could not fulfill his promise. The students had their own trumpets to blow. They were also like other acquaintances from whom the narrator could get no help. Among the acquaintances, we can include the landlord also, who had an attitude of indifference towards the narrator. Students, in the next video lecture, I will discuss with you the another important descriptive questions of this short story. That's all for the day. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.